So my car is making this whining noise. It gets higher pitched the faster I go. Lower pitch the slower I go. Doesn't seem to be dependent on acceleration, because when I put it in neutral, I have to be slowing down for it to not change. Okay. Neutral. Shifted slightly, but not much. Back into drive. Going again. Can't demonstrate it on this road, but I believe noise would still keep going if I turn the car off. Now that it passed, maybe I can demonstrate by turning the car off. I'm just worried that I'll have to pull over to actually turn it back on.